Alright, we're rolling. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are here with Broman again. I'm going to be recording on my phone for his birthday. Not my iPad because I want, you know what, I'm gonna send a link to my channel. So you can actually watch my videos that I post. I'm gonna send the link here. My channel. Copy. Paste. Alright, there's my YouTube channel. So we are playing Pizza Simulator. I'm going to be recording on my phone. This is going to be really exciting because we are at his birthday party. We are literally at his birthday party. And one like equals one birthday present I'm going to give him. So if this video can hit 10 likes, I'll give him 10 birthday presents. I just have one birthday present. I'm sorry, but I just have one birthday present. I can't afford it. You know. So, yeah, if you like this video, you're counting this man, Broman, or Brock, to be good, to be awesome. One like equals one Brock is awesome. It doesn't make sense. Still. You have ice cream cones, you have gummy bears, donuts. Let's make this a simple video. Yes, we're going to be recording Brock's Brock's birthday party at 1:11 p.m. He's going to be recording. This video is going to be epic, but next one is going to be super epic because you guys are actually going to see Brock in person, the guy who's been messaging me on Discord. I've already seen times. It's going to my files. Why is it going to my files? Yeah, I'm gonna make the thing live. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. So, and your birthday's live? The phone, when I'm ice skiing, hopefully the phone doesn't fall out of my hand. Because I'm going to be recording and ice skiing at the same exact time. Hopefully I don't break my phone. Do they allow recording at the, ice skiing thing? Because if they don't, it's okay. We can just stop. Don't make the video. Do they allow? Okay, I'll just record. We'll make it live at your birthday. I sent you a link to my channel so we can record. And you can see the live, actually. Okay. Bang. I just get these stuff really fast. I'll put my Instagram, I'll put my Facebook on the link in the description. If you guys just wanna, follow me. Or if I lose my Facebook account, let me see here. Oh no, that's great. Oh, okay. Oh, that got me scared. Got me really scared. Yeah, let's just delete that. I will cancel out my address. Sorry, I'm shooting thing. I don't really live in Salem, Michigan. I live in like all the way to Detroit. Okay, fine, guys. I live in Salem, Michigan. You won't find my house. I know Brock probably knows where I live, right? Because we're friends. Stupid Discord. To go there all the way to Discord to do this. Oh no. I already got Instagram, but it logged me out. Plus, I can't get back in my account because it doesn't send me the verification. Yeah, I know, it's so weird. I have Instagram. It has the phone number and it doesn't send me the verification code. So that's why I got logged out. Now we're doing it. Okay, it's continue recording. Okay, now we're good. I'm scared for a moment. So this is going to be actually an hour-long video. Until my dad says, "Oh, I gotta go to Brock's birthday party," and then, yeah, this is gonna be an hour long. I know it's pretty long. I should be doing a live stream, but no, I'm not doing a live stream. I'm doing a normal video that's an hour long. There we go. There we go, there we go. Okay, so go 246K. Actually, no, this is gonna be a 10-minute episode. When it hits 10 minutes and 30 seconds, we are going to stop the recording and we are just going to stop it. Okay, so It has been 10 minutes, 30 more seconds till we have to end the live stream. I mean, not the live stream, the video. I'm so pumped up with live streams. Okay. Let's try to make this until it hits 10 minutes. Okay, we are not. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. So, peace, guys. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna show myself on Discord trying to do this. Sorry, guys. I was talking to my friend on Fortnite. Okay, if you want to see subscribe to my channel right there. Right there. And that will be it for today's video. Peace.